In the beginning, the story says, there was a garden, not just any garden, Eden, lush, bright, everything in balance. I imagine the air felt like morning after rain, the kind where every breath feels new. Adam walked without fear, Eve walked without fear. They were given a world to tend, and a freedom to choose. But there was a single boundary. Don't eat from the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. Not because knowledge was bad, but because trust was the point. Then comes the whisper. The serpent says, you won't die. You'll be like God. Temptation rarely shouts. It sounds reasonable. It promises control. It twists truth with just enough truth. Eve looks. The fruit is pleasing. She takes. Adam follows. In an instant, something shifts. Their eyes open, but not to power, to shame. They hide. They sow fig leaves. They dodge the question. Where are you? It's not just geography. It's the human condition. When we cross a line, we cover, blame, run. Consequences ripple out. The ground grows thorns. Work becomes sweat. Love becomes complicated. And yet, even here, there's a thread of mercy. Garments given. A promise whispered that brokenness won't get the last word. So, what's the lesson? To me, it's about trust over control. The boundary wasn't a trap, it was a relationship. The choice wasn't between ignorance and wisdom, it was between dependence and self-rule, without the wisdom to carry it. Every day I face my own trees, moments where I can grab the shortcut, bend the rule, believe the whisper that I'll be fine. The story says, freedom without trust breeds fear, and fear breeds hiding. But it also says, step back into the light, answer the question, where are you? Choose honesty over hiding, choose patience over the quick win. Because Eden wasn't just a place behind us, it's a direction in front of us, one choice at a time.